On the diesel bike gearing, I've decided to keep all this back here, but install a centrifugal clutch up front here on the engine. Now the purpose of this is to reduce the clutch wear on the actual clutch pack that, if you remember correctly, this was all harvested from the original CBR, and it is a wet clutch pack, and I am using it as a dry clutch pack, so that's not great. So we want to cut the wear down on that. Most of the wear will be on the initial takeoff. So we can get around that by installing this centrifugal clutch on the engine. Now some complications with this is the front sprocket on this is pretty large, and I can't cheaply find a centrifugal clutch with a large sprocket like that. So we're going to make our own. So I have this clutch right here. It's about 40 bucks, and I have a sprocket. We're going to make them go together. Also, if you recall, on the last test drive, the old diesel bike could go 55 miles an hour and it was gear bound. So I'm bumping up this sprocket here from a 24 tooth to a 26 tooth. Just a little bump. We'll see how fast it'll go. Can you show Bear where the engine is?
It's back here.
No, that's the trunk. Where's the engine?
Right here.
It is. Good job. Well, that's all we have time for today. I think this setup's going to work out really good. So I'll be using this one coming up to stops and this one for changing gears. I can't go on a test drive right now because I have a few other things I have to do. But we'll see how this works. Guys, keep tinkering. I'll see you next time.